Juan Luna, one of the greatest painters of his time, introduced the greatness of Filipinos in terms of making magnificent and impactful works in the form of art. Juan Luna may never relate his artworks on his countrymen, but he represented the country on his behalf by making his art piece shine in the history of paintings, carrying his legacy as a blooded Filipino. In his time, his social thoughts were reduced to his popular life size 4.22 meters by 7.675 meters paintings which he worked in an oil-on canvas. His painting titled Spoliarium features a scenario of which contains the beauty of his skill in making art. The painting shows a theme that can be interpreted as if it was in a before Christ era. The inside of the painting consists of a scenario in a gladiator matches, showing the fallen players as well as the victors, and features also the spectators who were dragging the fallen combatant in hope to loot their armor and belongings. On the other side of the painting, it can be shown a half-naked man that carries a flaming torch in the shadows. The torch that he holds must symbolize hope, lighting his way in the middle of a dark, horrific war. Near the man with the torch, an image of a woman on the ground can be seen, surrounded by an aura of melancholy. Professionals suggest that the woman was crying because of the death of his child. This shows that war is not just a basic political issue, rather, it affects also the innocents. Not only was the painting a large real-life size, it also depicted the real scenario of the Philippines and what the country experiences at that time. The famous propaganda movement historical journalist Graciano Lopez Haina gave his statement regarding Juan Luna's work. Lopez said that
the painting was nothing more than a real spoliarium with all its horrors.
this speaks up that the country was experiencing terror at the time when the painting was seen from the public. National hero of the Philippines, Jose P. Rizal, also speaks about it. According to him,
the painting was a symbol of our social, moral, and political life.
in all of the paintings that Juan Luna have worked on, this one stands out. His works was an unwavering expression of the awe which the people felt at that time.